The size of the New Zealand agricultural industry is a $20 billion business. It makes up 65% of the New Zealand economy as it's being exported. The two areas at major risk are the dairy industry and the meat industry. Biosecurity includes bird flu, foot and mouth, and whatever diseases may well enter our country.
The real threat of a biosecurity scare to New Zealand is the fact that we will lose markets, either short-term markets or long-term markets.
Fonterra sells up into Europe, into America, its main markets, and both those continents are wanting better traceability systems. An important part of this process is NAIT, the National Animal Identification Traceability, and is being driven by the government, by industry, and by farming. What is being achieved is a pasture-to-plate capture of information that starts on farm and finishes with the consumer. Typically, farmers will dislike anything to do with compliance. They never see any value in it. They always see it as a cost. However, this is a real opportunity to turn all this information into productivity tools that will enable them to farm smarter than what they do today.
Integrated Foods Limited is a fully integrated food production business. Integrated Foods primarily is focused at the present time on producing lamb and beef. We produce it on our own farms, we process it in our own facilities, and we market it through our own channels to various stores. We also have a weekly air freight container that goes to Switzerland. We have a regular shipment of beef and lamb that goes to Tahiti, and we also sell beef into Korea. So we, at all stages of the chain, have to have a very secure handle on disease elimination, any threats of contamination to that product.
Integrated Foods has adopted a system of traceability, and we're currently working on that now with GenAI, developing a system of tracking every individual animal, to know where that animal is and what's happened to it at all times.
So the key information that they will be getting, starting right at the outset, will be the date of birth, the weight of the animal, the type of animal health treatments that are made. They will then get the information about the animal when it leaves the farm, and over a period of time, when they really start to analyse the data, they will start to understand how that animal yielded. For IFL, that means more money. It means productivity gain. It means their ability to keep them farm smarter and to provide to the marketplace exactly what the market is wanting. We are an end-to-end solution business that enables the ability for IFL and this pilot to be able to capture information, to have it stored, to have it viewed.
The technology will allow us to become much more precise with our livestock. The risks that we have if we don't start adopting more technology is that we're still going to be a commodity producer in a world of much lower cost producers than us. And that's a game that we just can't win.
I believe that GenAI can really help. What are the issues that a company needs to comply with? How can we turn this into an opportunity? How can we help this company make some more money? The benefits of what GenAI can do go far beyond the rural sector. The issue of compliance does apply to the health sector. It certainly applies in the government sector. Transport is another major sector that will need to have different compliance issues addressed. And naturally, the ability of GenAI to actually do that is paramount.